Hi all, today we are going to learn how to make a teddy bear. Come on, let's see how Arnav is going to make a teddy bear. Yes, let's do it. Come on. Arnav, what is it with you now? These are the ears, huh? Okay, after that you have to put little near, otherwise see it has become koala bear. See the way it is? And now it has to come like this. Can I help you? Like this. Here, little gap. You should keep this as a sample. Wait, Arnav. Okay? No, little more because it has to. Not so. Otherwise it will become bunny, no?
Take it me.
White portion, let it be little low. Okay, see this as a sample. No, not so low. It has to be little pink, should be seen. Okay, yes. Okay, now we'll put the eyes. What are you going to put? The nose. Okay.